San John Park in, what state are we in?
State?
Yeah. Oh, New Mexico. New Mexico.
New Mexico.
San John Park in New Mexico. It's a little city park. I mean, by city, there's one gas station here and this park. That's it.
Right off the freeway, but it's a free campground.
It's free. Yeah, they allow overnight parking, and
no services, no water, no.
Yeah, there's a bathroom over there.
And there was some garbage.
Okay.
Dumpsters. So.
Nice. But we are on the hunt for fresh water today, so gotta look for that. We're headed east.
Amarillo by morning.
I overslept though, so we might not make it by morning.
Let's see. Oh yeah, we'll make it by.
Will we?
11:55.
We're gonna go to the...
I haven't even checked my beard.
Oh, it's looking on point.
Yeah, it's dry weather.
Well, it's not humid, you know? The humidity sometimes puffs it out.
It was dry in New Mexico. Just felt like I got everything sucked out of me.
Yeah, dry. Yeah, so we're gonna head on down the road, and we will be to Amarillo, Texas today, and perhaps beyond. Got a few errands to run while we're in town.
There's a little town I saw on the map that I really like the name of, and I looked it up in Wikipedia. It's very tiny, and it sounds like it may be turning into a ghost town, but it's right off the freeway, and yeah, that's it.
That's it. You're just throwing a teaser out there.
Yeah.
Nice.
But there's a little campground with poor reviews.
Perfect. Those are our favorite.
But they'll have water.
Oh, they do have water.
It has water.
Well then, what more do you need?
If we can make it that far, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Outside Amarillo is, I do believe, the Cadillac Ranch.
That's not from the song Cadillac
They're
Ranch.
not parking cars in the old bean patch.
Pea patch.
No.
Bean?
Bean? It's either bean or beet. I think it's
the
bean.
old pea patch.
No, it's not pea.
Okay.
We're gonna have to Google this. There's a car in the barn. No, there's a bar in the barn and the place is packed. The place stays packed. No, it's not
Chris
that.
Ledoux.
Is that? Okay.
Chris Ledoux.
Yeah, it's not that. It's where the cars are up on end, buried in the sand, and spray painted.
That's on Route 66.
It's a thing. Yeah, we're basically on Route 66 here.
Oh, so I-40 East is part of it?
Yeah. Well, I think it parallels there for a minute.
Oh, I think it parallels and then it goes
Crosses.
into it, so it's 40 is 66 at times, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are on a freeway here for a bit, just to get through some country. All right.
Morning, Pistol.
The girl's up. Good morning, sunshine. And we have sunshine. That's nice. You ready to go, girl? You ready to go? All right, let's go. That was interesting. Can I be honest? Not really for me. I get it's a piece of Americana, right? On Route 66. It's the famous Cadillac Ranch. I was left a little unimpressed, but I guess I didn't know what I expected, but it's a tourist thing. Gotta do it on your way by, and that's exactly what we did. Moving on.
Okay, enough of that.
Yeah. We are headed into Amarillo. This is right outside of Amarillo, Texas, and I think we're on the hunt for barbecue somewhere today.
Yeah, it's the best thing about driving through Texas. So this is our first time through northern Texas. We've been all over the southern part and hill country and love the hill country area. This is what you'd expect of the plains of Texas, just like flat windmills,
cows.
A lot of, yeah, what do you think of Texas? But
yeah,
I've never been through Texas. Well, my favorite part about driving through Texas is Texas barbecue.
Yeah.
So
we gotta do it.
I'm sure Amarillo has some. Just finding the one.
Yeah, I'll have to do some research on that. And yeah, so next stop, barbecue. Rudy's Real Texas Barbecue. I mean, they say it's real, so.
This truck parked on the sidewalk.
Nice.
He says, I'm getting some barbecue, and there's truck parking where I make it.
I love it. This is a country store. Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue. Okay.
This is going to drive Pistol nuts.
Oh, it's definitely going to drive.
She's already here.
Oh, she got a meat? No, it's not a girl. I got baby back ribs, because that's how I do. And Dave got brisket, because that's what he does. There's my ribbies. Oh no, that's your brisket. That looks good. The ribs are super flavorful. And I'm usually saucy, but I looked at them, I'm like, I don't think they need sauce.
No, that's too good to put sauce on.
They're full of flavor. Your brisket's yum. We've completed our mission through Texas this time. So, you need some ribs. She likes barbecue too. That was yummy. Even Pistol thought so. Now she's got a neat nose and she's inspecting the floor back there.
Well, I've always wanted to come to Amarillo.
Yeah.
Always. When I was a kid, I mean, I grew up in country. Well, I grew up in Montana, so we listened to both kinds of music, country and western.
Yeah.
Name that movie. But one thing you'll notice if you listen to country music, if you drive through Texas, it seems like almost every city you drive through has a song about it, a country song. Amarillo by Morning by George Strait. I mean, there are so many Texas songs with names.
How many can we come up with?
Yeah, put them in the comments.
There's probably a lot we haven't even heard.
Oh, I'm sure, but put the song bonus points for the artist.
Yeah.
Or if it's been sung by a different artist.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what we can get in the comments.
See how many songs, Texas songs, we can list.
Yeah, Texas, either the state or the city or the county, or about a Texas landmark.
Yeah,
right.
Or a Texas lawman.
Oh, now it's getting too crazy.
Is it too wild?
Yeah. Texas places.
Rein it in. Only Texas places, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
All right.
We're gonna head south now from here. I think we're on I-40 for another few miles, and then we're gonna start heading south.
Enough freeways.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna get through Amarillo, and then we're gonna take a back road. We're gonna take back roads all the way the rest of it through Texas, Oklahoma.
And we're kind of on a mission to go see your cousin in Arkansas because he's heading to hunting camp, and we're trying to get there before he leaves. So
yeah, I got a couple cousins and an aunt in Arkansas. I didn't get to see him much when we passed through before, so I thought we'd try to go out of the way a little bit to see him again.
Yeah. So we're kind of on a mission to do that, and then we'll start poking along too. But okay, let's get out of here. Who knows where we're gonna end up tonight? Now we on a back road.
Now you sent us on a back road. Not as bad as you almost did. She almost sent me down like this dirt washboard road.
Okay, well, we like those too. Yeah, look at it. Is this cotton? This is cotton out here, right? Oh yeah, I see little cotton balls on there. We could pick some and you can make me a shirt. Q-tips.
Q-tips. Oh my.
There's a lot of Q-tips out there. We are entering the town of Cary, Texas. And it's spelled exactly the same. We have to get a picture.
I gotta get a picture on the middle of the highway.
Yeah.
Told you there was a town with an interesting name.
There is, yep, indeed. And there is a campground 3 miles away. It says it's on a lake. I don't know, a lot of the water's pretty dried up around here, so we'll see. Oh, wow, it's a bustling metropolis. Huh. Makes you wonder what it once was, you know?
Yeah, this is downtown Cary.
Yeah. Maybe we should buy it and revitalize it. Yeah.
How much would they charge for the town of Cary?
Can't be much.
No. No, a bit off the path.
Yeah. All right, let's check this campground out.
Okay.
It's down yonder. The lake closes to the public.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right. 238 Blue Bonnet Lane.
Huh. Well, we found a site. This whole place looks abandoned. We went to the office and everything is locked up. It doesn't look like anyone's been there for a long time, but they did have a pay box out front, so we paid $14.
No envelope, just stick the money, cash only in the slot.
Yeah, cash only, stick it in the slot. It does have hookup, so we're gonna hook up. We haven't hooked up in forever, but we're gonna turn the AC on because the sun's coming right in and helps keep that fridge cool. So, Pistol, you're happy here, huh? Let's get you a bone, baby. You want a bone? Hmm? Yeah, you want one of these? This is gonna be yummy. There you go. Good girl. Dinner is served. We have quesadillas.
Make me a quesadilla.
Yes. I have to show you the most amazing cheese I put in there though. We got it at JC Market in Newport, Oregon. And it's from a local creamery in Oregon. It's this. It is so good. It's got cilantro and jalapeno in it, and it makes the best quesadillas, and it's also delicious on eggs.
What you got here?
Okay, so this is their chicken bean cheese quesadillas.
Oh my gosh.
And I didn't know if we'd want corn or flour, and I can make more of whatever.
Oh honey.
But it's got that yummy cheese. All right, we're gonna eat dinner, and we'll see y'all in the morning.